Today I want to take you guys on a tour of this property that we just finished. This is an exciting project. We're happy with the turnout, and we want to show you. This is actually a restoration that we did on a fire damaged property. Now a lot of the times people are wondering, well, what actually does this look like after you're done with the project? So stay tuned, we want to show you this. This is exciting. I think you guys will love it. And here we go. All right, so here we are in the kitchen. And so what we did here is we actually ended up using a nice light gray color on these cabinets. We thought that'd go really well with this color scheme that we tried to follow here. We went with a 12-inch subway tile, brand new appliances, stainless steel with the black tops. I think that's a good combination there. The Dallas white granite looks sharp too. I think it really matches well with the color of our walls. Everything combined with the cowboy brown ceramic plank tile, we really think it just finished it off really nice. Alright, so here's an overview of the dining room. This is a combination of the dining room with the living room. That doorway there takes you into the kitchen. But this is the stairway to the upstairs. At the upstairs we have two bedrooms. And we want to really show you this rail here. What we did with this rail is take that wood and stain it a little bit of a darker cherry finish that we figured would pop and just make the whole stairway and the living room area look really nice. Okay, here we are. Now we're upstairs, and I got to tell you, this is the most dramatic part of this remodel by far. This is a room where we would stand here and you could see the sky. I mean, the whole framing and the trusses and everything was just completely charred. So this has really been a huge improvement, and this is kind of what people really get curious as to how does this thing turn out at the end once it's done. So this really just gives you that opportunity to see that. All right, so we've shown you the house, you've seen what this turned out to be, but one of the things you can't see from behind your screen is the fact that this house does not have any smoke scent at all. So that's very important on why it's important to choose a restoration contractor. So thank you for watching our videos. We hope you've enjoyed this, and stay tuned for the next ones. Take care.